How to fix Messenger app not opening. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi, and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as in order to use Messenger smoothly, it is really important to have a proper working internet connection. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Messenger, and make sure that the Messenger application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the Messenger application, as doing this will help you in fixing your issue. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and scroll down and tap on general. Here tap on iPhone storage and then go ahead and navigate to Messenger and tap on it. Now tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Messenger application. Here tap on remove app and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Delete your app and reinstall it again from the App Store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, then it simply could be that the Messenger server is down, so you can open any of your browser and search for Messenger server status, and if the server is actually down, then you will not have any option but to simply wait for the server to work. So these were a few ways on how you can fix Messenger app not loading. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.